Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Go High Level video series. In this video, I'll show you how to use the contacts or the smart list in Go High Level CRM. For those who do not know anything about Go High Level is one of the best sales and marketing platform. You can use the CRM feature of Go High Level. There are multiple ways to collect the leads for your business. You can create websites, you can create sales funnel, you can generate leads from social media marketing, and all these leads and contact details will be managed by the CRM. So in the Go High Level, you will see the contacts option, and in this contact option, you will see all the leads that are generated for your business. You may be running a website, or you may be running digital marketing or the social media marketing campaigns, and all those leads will be stored into the CRM. And you will get all the details of each and every contact. So the Go High Level is not only for the CRM. You can use pipelines, you can use unlimited sales funnel, website builder, surveys and forms, email marketing, bookings and appointment, workflow automations. So you will see all these features are available in Go High Level services, and it only starts with $97. So let's see how we can use the CRM feature in Go High Level services.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So I'm logged into the dashboard of the Go High Level, and I'm using a dummy sub account to show you how the contact list is managed. So here in the left hand panel, you will see contacts. On this contact dashboard, you will see all the contacts that are generated through the website or the sales funnel or the marketing or the booking forms. So let's consider that you are generating leads from a website. You have a website there, and on a website you have contact form as well as you have chat widget, and you may have appointment booking system on your website. You are running ads for your website. People are coming to your website. They are filling up the forms on the website, or they are contacting you through the chat widgets or appointment bookings. So all these leads will be stored into this contact section. You may have created opportunities, or you may have created some workflows just like this. You will see an example of the sales pipeline. I have separate videos on sales pipeline, how to create website, sales funnel, how to use calendars, how to use contact forms, and other features of Go High Level services. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. So let's go back to contacts, and this is a sample contact. So I'm going to click on it, and when you click on that contact, you will see the details of that particular contact. So there are three different sections you will see here. The first one is the information about the contact. Then you will see conversation between you and your lead. This is the activity, task, notes, and appointment. So now in the first section, you will see the details of that lead: first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, and from where the contact is generated. So if you are running a contact form, so it will show that it is generated by this sample form. Now, what is the type of the contact? If it is lead, you can select lead. So if that lead is converted into customer, you can change the type of contact to customer. Now under general info, you will see other details. There are some other pre-designed fields of particular contacts, such as business name, address, city, country, state, website. If there is any website, they can mention it here. And this is one of the custom field that I have created on one of the forms, service required. So it will show what services are required for this particular contact lead. And this is, do you want e-commerce website? So this is another question, or this is another custom field that I have created on one of the contact forms. So these are the general informations. Below that you have additional information. These are also the custom fields that I have created, and I just put them into additional info. So if you want to see the details of that particular lead, you can go through these tabs: additional information or general information, and these are the basic contact details. Below that you will see the campaigns and workflows that are assigned to this particular lead. So if this contact lead has already gone through this workflow, it will show it under the past. If you want to add this contact lead to any other workflow, you can simply click on add, and from here you will see different campaigns or workflow that you can use. Let's consider if I want to add this contact lead to this workflow, I can simply select that one. I can select the time and date and then click on add, and that contact lead will go through that particular campaign. Now here you will see DND, that is do not disturb. If you do not want them to contact, then you can simply select these options: email, text message, calls, Google My Business, Facebook Messenger. So if you select these options, they will not be contact you, or you will not be contact them through these channels. So these are the basic details. Now, if you want to see how these custom fields are created, you can watch the video about how to create the contact form, and you can create custom fields into the contact form. So these are the custom fields. Let me show you. You can go to settings, and here you will see option custom fields. Let me open it. So these are the custom fields. You will see these standard custom fields: business name, street name, state. These are the standard fields. Let me show you other fields. And here you will see one custom field that I created into the contact form. So this is another one. This is another one, brief description. So if you want to create custom field, you can simply create a custom field from here, or you can go to contact form, and in the contact form, you can add custom field. Now let me show you one of the custom field here. Let me select this one, and if I go to edit, you will see the details of this particular custom field, and I have assigned this group for this particular custom field. So whenever someone fills up the information for this custom field, it will go to the general info group. If I want to change it, I can change it to additional info, and I can click on save. Now let's go back and let me refresh it. Now if I go to additional info, you will see that the service required is moved to additional info group. So you can move the custom fields into different groups. You just need to go to custom fields option, and from there you can change the group of the custom fields. Alright, now in the middle section you will see a conversation between you and your contact lead. So let's see, I have created one workflow. Whenever someone fills up the form, it is going to trigger the workflow, and it will send some email or the SMS to the contact lead. So if there is any email or the SMS sent to the customer, it will show in this section. So this is the email that I have sent to this particular contact. So you can see the details of the email. SMS, it will show in this section. If the customer replies to the email or the SMS, it will also show in this particular section. So everything will be shown here. Now if you want to send SMS or email directly to the customer, now if you want to send SMS or email to the customer manually, you can see option here. So if I click on SMS, you will see the option to send SMS manually. I can type in the SMS and I can click on send, and it will send the SMS to the client. If I go to email, from here I can send the email manually. So if I want to send a customized email for this particular contact lead only, then I can send the email directly from the contact's dashboard. So I can type in the subject and the content and click send. I can also attach files, links, images into the email. Now in the next section you will see activity. Here you will see the source of the contact lead. This lead has booked the appointment through the contact lead. And here you will see the activity: appointment booked, which page visited by the lead, trigger link visited. Here you can see the trigger link YouTube channel. This is one of the trigger links that I created. I have a separate video on how to create trigger links. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So this lead has clicked on this trigger link, so it will show that. So all the activities will be shown here. Next to that you will see task. So if you have created tasks in the automation or the workflows, it will show all the pending as well as completed tasks here. So if you want to add notes for this particular lead, you can add notes. If I click on it, you will see the option to enter the notes. If you want to book appointment with this lead, you can simply click on this. Here you will see that you have already booked an appointment with this contact lead. If you want to add another, you can simply click on add new. And from here you can book the appointment with this contact lead. So this is all about the specific contact lead. Now let's go back. Now on the dashboard you will see this option, pipeline change. Now let's say if I want to add these two contacts to one of the pipelines, then I can select these two contact leads, or if you want to select all, then you can select this one and click on this one, pipeline change, and from here you can select the pipeline. So you can enter the details about the pipeline and click on add or update opportunity, and it will go through that pipeline. Next option is add to campaign or workflow. It is similar to pipeline. You can select multiple contact leads, click on it, and from here you can select the campaign or the workflow for which you want to assign these two contact leads or multiple contact leads. Next to that, you have send SMS. You can select one contact lead or you can select multiple contact list and click on SMS, and it will start sending SMS to all those selected contact leads. You will see option here, send all at once, send all at scheduled time. Next is send email. This is just similar to the SMS. Select the contact leads, click on send email and type in the email subject, everything, and click send email. Next option is add tag. So when you create workflows, you may assign tags to different contact leads. If you want to change the tags or if you want to add the tag, you can click on it and add the tag to the selected contact leads. Next is remove tags. That is similar to add tag. Then we have delete contacts. If you want to delete any one of these contacts, you can select those contacts and click on delete. It is going to delete all the contacts. Send review request. So if you are managing Google My Business and the review request, you can send the review request to all the selected contact leads. I have a separate video on how to manage the review request in GoHighLevel services. You can watch that video. Next is export contacts. If you want to export the list of all the contacts, you can click on export and you can export the contact list. So there you will see different options, and this will be a CSV file. If you want to import the contact list, you can click on import. If you have a list of contacts, you can import the file. This will be a CSV file. Now the next option is merge up to 10 contacts. If you have multiple entries of the same contact, you can merge those contacts. Next is columns. If I click on it, you will see the columns which are shown on the dashboard: name, phone, email, created, last activity, tags. If you want to add column, you can add the column. Let's see, these are the columns that you can use. Let's see, I want to select this option and you will see that here. So this is how you can add the columns to the dashboard. Now here you will see filter options. You can filter the contact list using their business name, company name, email, first name, last name. So these are all filter option. If you want to search for particular contacts, you can simply use the search option here. You can type in the name of the contact lead and it will show the results. Now at the top you will see bulk actions. So if you have performed any bulk action such as deleting multiple contact leads or sending email to multiple contact leads at the same time, you will see the activity log here. Next is restore. By mistake, if you delete any contact lead, you can restore from here. Next is task. If you have created task, you will see the list of all the tasks which are pending or completed, due date, status of the task. Next is the company. If you want to create list according to the company, you can create that one also. And this is manage smart list. All right, so let's go back to smart list. Now all these contact leads are generated using contact forms or the chat widget or the calendar booking on your website, and these leads are collected automatically when someone fills up the forms. Now what if you want to add the contact manually? Here you will see an option plus sign. Click on the plus sign and you will see this form, and you will see this form to add the contact manually. Let me show you how you can add. Let me add one dummy contact here. So this is the first name, this is the last name, and the email will be, let's say, John. Here you can add the telephone number there, and you can select what type of telephone number, that is home, work, mobile. And if you want to add another phone number, you can click on the plus sign and enter another phone number there. The type of contact will be lead or customer. Then you can also add time zone. If you want to add D&D for the channel, you can select those channel. And if you want to add the logo, you can also add the image or the logo for that contact lead. Once done, you can click on save, and you will see the details of the newly added contact here. Now if you want to add other fields, you can simply go to that field and you can add that field. Let's say the contact source will be added manually. Whatever type of source you want to add, you can add the contact source. Then you can go to general info, you can add the business name, street address, and website, as well as other custom fields. Go to additional info. From there you can select the additional information or the custom fields for that particular contact lead. And let's say I want to add service required, and if I want to add this contact lead to any one of these campaigns, I can simply click on it, and once done I can click on save, and all the other field information for that contact lead will be saved. Let's go back, and you will see this manually added contact list. So this is how you can use the GoHighLevel CRM to manage the contact leads for your business. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.